There's a friend of Charlie Munger's, John Arriaga, and he's a billionaire, he's on the Forbes 400. And all John Arriaga has done in his entire career is invest in real estate within a mile of the Stanford University campus in Northern California, just around the campus, right? And that's all he's done. And so his circle of competence, what he understands, is not real estate. It's not even US real estate or California real estate or Northern California real estate. None of those things. It's actually just real estate within a very small geography. It's like someone understanding real estate within a mile of the Trinity campus. It's a pretty limited expertise. So the interesting thing about investing is that the size of your circle of competence is not that relevant in terms of how well you do. Sticking to it, being inside it, is critical, right? And so you don't need to know a lot of things to do well in investing, as long as you stick to the things that you know really well. And so I think those are I think some of the, and I think I could be better with patience. Like, I think Munger is the gold standard, that's what we should aspire to. And I think with even circle of competence, I think many times, if we have any doubt that we don't understand the business or we don't understand some nuance of the business, we should stay away. So those are, I think, important traits to try to get a good handle on.